Hello, today is the third day of our stay in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we are starting off our day by visiting this local farmers market at Market Square, which is located at the center of Knoxville downtown. It is an open air producer only farmers market held every Wednesday and Saturday, May through mid November. Everything at this market is grown, raised, or made by the vendors within a 150-mile radius of Knoxville. Products vary by season and include fresh fruits and vegetables, eggs, honey, meats, cut flowers, baked goods, artisan crafts, and more. Market Square is a historic district and pedestrian mall which was established in 1854 as a marketplace for regional farmers. Over the decades, the square developed into a multi-purpose venue that accommodates events ranging from concerts to rallies and has long been a popular gathering spot for artists, street musicians, and activists.
What's this? What's
Shrimp.
this?
It is rice, fried rice.
This?
It is a crab rangoon.
This?
It's a California sushi roll.
What?
You want to try?
Papa, do I have?
We have reached. You can enter Anakeesta through the chairlift rides or by an enclosed gondola cabin which goes 600 feet up the mountain, or through the passenger truck's Ridge Rambler which takes the scenic path through the forest. It's 4:20 p.m. and it's still very hot, so I suggest carrying water bottles and caps. We booked our tickets online, so our waiting time is a bit lesser than people who are buying at the counter, but still took us about 25 minutes to reach the chairlift. Finally, we are in the Mountaintop Adventure Park located above in the heart of downtown Gatlinburg. We are so excited to have the Smoky Mountain experience in this nature immersive park. So let's see what it has to offer.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our Tootsie! And for being such a great sport, I have for you this spin to commemorate your moment with the Anakeesta Gnomes.
If I've been forgotten, I go. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Come on, boys! Woo! Let's kick it!
Playing solitaire till dawn.
There are plenty of food options here. There are cafes as well as food trucks. If you have purchased a food and drink festival pass, you could redeem punches on select food and beverages. We are at Treetop Skywalk. It is the longest tree-based skywalk in North America with 880 feet of hanging bridges suspended 50 to 60 feet in the air. After the second bridge, the skywalk is a one-way loop. The bridges sway and move on walking, and you will be required to walk up and down stairs and uneven surfaces. What an exciting way to experience a bird's eye view from the trees. Walking over the swaying bridges under the canopy of lush trees with cool breeze on our faces and breathtaking views was such a refreshing experience for all of us. We finished the skywalk. It was amazing. I suggest everyone should try it. Our 4-year-old enjoyed a lot. It's not scary at all. Moving on to our next destination, which is BirdVenture. BirdVenture is an aviary-inspired adventure zone where kids can play and imagine life as a bird in the Smokies. There are 3 colorful big bird houses, a dozen interactive adventure zones, and 7 giant serpentine slides with light features, which goes down more than 50 feet down the mountain. We are taking a break. We'll get some snacks and relax while listening to some live music. We are at Vista Gardens. This special garden was created after the chimney top 2 wildfires of 2016 charred and destroyed all the trees. Today you can walk through the sensory garden, take pictures at the selfie spot, enjoy a colorful array of flowers, listen to the sounds of cascading waterfalls, or discover musical garden chimes. If you need to cool down after all the walking and playing, pass through the wisteria-covered misting tunnel. And don't forget to take some pictures at the Heart Igloo. Babu, please don't do like that. This is AnaVista Observation Tower, which is downtown Gatlinburg's highest point. There are a total of 86 steps to get at the large observation platform at the top. From the top deck, you can have 360-degree views of the Smokies. And the two glass panel floors allow you to look down into the garden 60 feet below. Yeah, it's yummy. We are at the Hellbender mountain coaster. This is the last activity that we are doing before heading home. It's not included in the general admission, it comes as add-ons. Another option is the Rail Runner mountain coaster, but we'll be riding just this. Lockers are provided to keep your belongings so you don't lose anything while riding. It's almost our turn. See you after the ride. We are done for the day. We had way too much fun and we are exhausted. We'll be taking the pickup vehicle to go back down the mountain. Tomorrow we'll check out of our Airbnb and explore downtown Knoxville a bit. So, see you in the morning. Good morning. We checked out of our Airbnb. It's an old apartment about 100 years old. Today we'll be visiting Volunteer Landing Park, but before that we'll have breakfast at a local cafe. This is Volunteer Landing Park. It is a beautiful riverfront park which runs parallel to Tennessee River. The river is a sight to see during University of Tennessee home football games. The Vol Navy lines the river along Volunteer Landing to create a sea of orange to cheer on the home team. Visitors can enjoy fishing, biking and other water sports and activities here. The park also features splash pads, playground, shelter, picnic area and restrooms. This marks the end of our Tennessee trip. We had an amazing time here.
Ooh, the divine mountain of volcano glory shines upon. Ooh, the divine mountain of volcano glory shines upon. The divine mountain of volcano cozy shines upon. The divine mountain of volcano cozy shines upon.